If you're not receiving calls from unknown numbers on your iPhone, there are a few settings you should check. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock unknown callers and make sure those calls can come through normally. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Apps, then look for Phone. And tap on it. Under the Screen Unknown Caller section, you'll see three options: Never, Ask Reason for Calling, and Silence. To allow all incoming calls, make sure Never is selected. If Ask Reason for Calling or Silence is selected, some unknown callers may be screened or silenced before your phone rings. Next, scroll down to the Call Filtering section. Here, you'll see an option called Unknown Callers. Make sure this option is turned off. If it's enabled, unknown callers may be filtered instead of ringing your iPhone normally. Finally, scroll down to Blocked Contacts. If you have any contacts or phone numbers that shouldn't be blocked, remove them from the list. You can tap Edit and unblock them. Or simply swipe left on a contact and tap Unblock, depending on your version of iOS. If you've checked all of these settings and you're still not receiving unknown calls, the issue may be with your mobile carrier. Some carriers offer spam or call filtering services that can block or silence suspected spam calls before they even reach your iPhone. If that's the case, contact your carrier and ask them to check whether any call filtering or spam blocking features are enabled on your account. They can help you disable those features if needed. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.